Book of Heaven, Volume 11, Good Night, Jesus. Goodbye in the evening to Jesus in the sacrament. O my Jesus, celestial prisoner, the sun is now setting, the darkness invades the earth, and you remain alone in the tabernacle of love. I seem to see you with an air of sadness because of the loneliness of the night, not having around you the crown of your sons and of your tender spouses, who may at least keep you company in your voluntary imprisonment. O my divine prisoner, I too feel my heart catch for having to leave you, and I am forced to say goodbye to you. But what am I saying? O Jesus, never again goodbye. I don't have the courage to leave you alone. Goodbye with my lips, but not with my heart. Rather, I leave my heart with you in the tabernacle. I will count your heartbeats, and I will correspond to them with my heartbeat of love. I will number your panting sighs, and to cheer you, I will make you rest in my arms. I will be your vigilant sentry. I will be attentive to see if anything comes to trouble you or to sadden you, not only so as to never leave you alone, but also to take part in all your pains. O heart of my heart, O love of my love, leave this air of sadness and be consoled. I don't have the heart to see you afflicted. While with my lips I say goodbye, I leave with you my breaths, my affections, my thoughts, my desires, and all my movements, which, forming a chain of continuous acts of love, united to yours, will surround you like a crown and will love you for all. Aren't you happy, O Jesus? It seems you say yes, don't you? Goodbye, O loving prisoner. But I have not finished yet. Before I depart, I also want to leave my body before you. I intend to make of my flesh and of my bones many tiny little pieces in order to form as many lamps for as many tabernacles as exist in the world, and of my blood many little flames to light those lamps. And in every tabernacle I intend to put my lamp which, uniting with the lamp of the tabernacle that gives you light at night, will say to you, I love you, I adore you, I bless you, I repair you, and I thank you for me and for all. Goodbye, O Jesus. But listen to one more word. Let us make a pact, and the pact be that we will love each other more. You will give me more love, will enclose me in your love, will make me live of love, and will bury me in your love. Let us tighten our bond of love more strongly. I will be content only if you give me your love to be able to really love you. Goodbye, O Jesus. Bless me. Bless all. Clasp me to your heart, imprison me in your love, and I leave you, placing a kiss upon your heart. Goodbye, goodbye.